Hello guys, I'm back to my channel and today's video is all about changing my lights to LED. Itong natatawag na LED guys kasi ang sinabi ng dati kong contractor, LED yung tig 10 pesos isa ng ano. So, ginawa niya kaming igno. So, ito na nga, we changed all this one into a smaller one. So, ang ganda ang pagkagawa guys. It's really beautiful. So, yan ang bago kong contractor, which is really smart to do and all these things. Sige, ang ganda guys ang pagkagawa. So, this is a new one. And I have only 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 lights in this area. Noon, talagang parang polka dots. Mahilig yata ng polka dots yung gumawa ng bahay ko dati. So, ito na ang bagong gawang PVC ceiling style, right? So, I hope you like the design. Renovate lang to guys kasi, oh my God. Nahulog ito lahat kasi dripping all the water of the thing. And all here, walang clip ang mga ginawa niya guys. Ito na ang bagong gawa guys. And of course, also, he colored this into water paint thing instead of wood. I mean, color wood or whatever. Ito. So, these things, he made it to bang or break the glass. Look at this. Ang galing, no? So, you're breaking the glass. Ito. Kaya we need to put some stopper para naman hindi masisira yung glass dito. And of course, change all this to heavy duty one. Kasi yung inilagay niya dito is only minipis, guys. Kaya nababagyo lahat at hindi lang nababagyo. Talagang konting kembat lang ng beans natatanggal. Kaya even the other one is newly. All lahat renovate lights. Kasi pati ito niya, babakbakan, binakbak lahat. Almost here, isang ganyan, at saka isang ganyan. Binakbak lahat. So we need to renew everything. So bago rin ito. It's only one glass, 2 small glass up there and over there to put the aircon over there. Kaya to, makakapal na guys, ang kapal, so huge na ang ginawang frame nito. So, make sure guys, pag nagpagawa kayo ng mga bahay nyo, make sure na ano. And of course, here's my toilet. Ginawa na rin ito ng new contractor ko. And of course, there's a fan there, ceiling fan. Magpapagawa pa ito ng heater kasi kailangan. Itong mga ano niya, temporary gagamitin muna kasi ano, tapos sira-sira na to. Walang laman sa loob, even inside. And here, may pulbos na lumalabas. And which, no, I don't know what's this. Pinalitan namin ang water kasi rusty na yan. Tapos yung tubig, once you on this water, the water flows this side. Ang galing, di ba? So, super galing yung dating gumawa dito. So, binabakbak lahat, ginawa lahat, and we have to renew all the tiles and everything here. And of course, tinakpan ko na rin yung takop-takop na paggagawa niyo dyan, di ba? Yan, kaya medyo takop-takop na rin ang tiles niyan. Pero, it's not really obvious kasi dinesign ko na nun sa itaas niya na the same tiles para naman hindi masyadong obvious. And here, natanggal na rin ito, tinanggal lahat at tapos nilagyan ng talagang pang-simento na siguro talaga guys. So here we go. So I need to go now. And here tomorrow they're going to make my small little thing. Tanggalin natin. Gagawin na to bukas kasi pinagawa ko pa, pinalawak ng konti. Lawak ba yun? I make it more huge, a bit bigger than before kasi ang nilagay lang dito is ito lang guys. How can you move this up this side? How can you move? And oh my God, that one only wala pang paglagyan ng tubig and so sharp. You're going to open a old coconut there sa my pool. Very sharp done. Ang taas pa guys. Oh my God, anong klase? Anyway, natapos na and then we're going to start to put the tiles. And of course, yan natitira lang dyan, guys. Yan na natitira kasi puro bokbok. Talagang empty pa yung mga, talagang super budget yung gumawa nito. Kaya, ito guys. So, next time pag nagpagawa kayo ng bahay nyo, siguraduhin yung legit guys, ang makukuha yung contractor kasi Super na, super. Ang dami nang mangloloko ng Pilipinas. 'Di ba? Kaya guys, yan na ang view guys. Kaya guys, be careful hiring and fake people, fraud. Ang dami dyan, just in front of your nose. Ang dami dyan, kahit kapatid mo man, kamag-anak mo man, kung mukhang pera, yung mga ano, sugalero, partikero, babaero, yan yun na ang maano nyo yan. So, be careful guys, hiring those people. So, that's all for today. I'm going to vlog another one by tomorrow. And thank you for watching. Love you all. See you later.